I'm Amy Ott, and I'm here to show you how to make a blueberry bread pudding. So we're going to start with our blueberry sauce. Add your cornstarch, 1 tablespoon, into a half a cup of cold water and whisk. Then we're going to start our medium saucepan over medium heat. We're going to add in our half a cup of brown sugar, and you want this to melt down but not burn, so keep stirring. Then add in your water and cornstarch mixture and whisk. Make sure it's all incorporated. Then add in your spices, which are a teaspoon of thyme, a cinnamon stick, and a clove, and juice of 1 lemon. It's about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and of course 1 cup of either fresh or frozen blueberries. Keep stirring. You're going to let this come to a simmer. It'll take approximately about 10 minutes for the blueberries to start to burst, and you want the sauce to start to thicken. Then at the very end, you want to add in a tablespoon of butter, and this will give your sauce a nice sheen. Next, for the bread pudding portion, we're going to mix together 1 cup of 1% milk, 4 whole eggs, a 1/3 cup of maple syrup, a half teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And our spice mixture for this is a teaspoon of cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of ginger, and of allspice, and a couple grates of fresh nutmeg. Then you want to arrange your bread cubes, half of your bread cubes, into your greased glass baking dish. A cup of blueberries. Then you're going to top with cream cheese, and then you top with the remaining pieces of bread. And you pour the custard over top of your bread mixture. Make sure everything gets soaked. Cover, refrigerate for at least. Take out of the refrigerator, bake at a 350-degree oven for 45 to 50 minutes or until the custard is set. And this is how you make a blueberry bread pudding.